Hi there and welcome. Today I've got a first line Friday for you. I've got two first lines you can use. When I wrote these, I was specifically thinking about memoir pieces. I was specifically thinking about what are first lines that a writer could use to get a memoir piece started. So that's the purpose behind these. If, however, you start into these and you realize, you know what, this isn't working for me for a memoir piece, but I really think I could do something fiction with this, or I could take this in a different direction and use it for dialogue or a screenplay or poetry or an essay or something like that. Do that. You know, if the mood takes you and you feel like you've got some inspiration to take these in a different direction, go ahead and do that. There's no limitation that says that you can't. The original intention is for these to be for a memoir, but do as you need to. Another recommendation with these is that if you have a way that you can make these prompts work for you by changing them up a little bit, changing some words, changing the sentence structure, adding in more information, adding more depth and detail, something to that effect. Go ahead and do that. There's no limitation that says that you can't do that. So please feel free to come into these lines and to change them around so that you can make them work for your particular setting. Okay, so I've got two first lines for you here, and I'll give you the first one. All right, here's the first. Rolling hills, chocolate ice cream, fireflies in a mason jar. My childhood had it all. I'll give that to you again. Rolling hills, chocolate ice cream, fireflies in a mason jar. My childhood had it all. So we're starting off here with these strong visuals, the rolling hills, chocolate ice cream, and fireflies in a mason jar, right? We're starting off with these list of these objects, these things that are going to be embedded within those memories. If you want to take some of those out and change them around, or if you want to change the time period from childhood to something else, you certainly can. Or if you want to take the idea behind this first line and change it around in a way that works for you, go ahead and do that. Feel free. All right, here's your second first line. Sean Connery, the man, the myth, the legend. He was everything I wanted to be. I'll give that to you again. Sean Connery, the man, the myth, the legend. He was everything I wanted to be. So I wrote that one particularly for a family member who is crazy about Sean Connery and kind of imitated some of Sean Connery's manner of dress and speech and things like this because he thought he was such a great guy. So it just kind of touched me that that's something that we do as people, right? We will look at other people who are out there, if they are writers or actors or business people or whomever out in society, and we'll be able to identify little elements of them that we really like, and then we'll try to imitate those things in our own lives. So I thought that that was really cute that he had done that, and I thought, you know what, that's something that a writer could use to start off a memoir piece. So I hope that that's a value to you. So two first lines here. Hopefully these can help you in getting some writing down on paper and getting that next step in the process going. I hope that these are helpful, and good luck with your writing.